One day, Mama Pekka was making pancakes for her son, the Mini Pekka. Life was simple back then, but then the king summoned her. She had to leave for battle. Mini Pekka tried to follow her, but she stopped him. With a gentle hand on his shoulder, she said, "Your time will come. I'll be okay." Years went by, and Mama Pekka became a legend of Clash, feared and respected across all clans. Meanwhile, Mini Pekka grew stronger, training every single day to follow in his mother's footsteps. Until one day, the king called for him too, but this time, the enemy had unleashed a new terror, the Mega Knight. In a fierce battle, Mama Pekka faced him with everything she had, shaking the battlefield with every strike. But even legends fall. And right before her son's eyes, she was struck down. Mini Pekka roared in rage, charging forward with all his might. He was ready to fight harder than ever before, and with one final blow, he avenged his mother, bringing the Mega Knight to his knees. And when the dust settled, her spirit stood behind him, proud, eternal, watching over her son.